Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are fine and fresh. Dear students, this is subject English grammar and we are learning the lesson number 10, pronouns. Am I right? In previous video, we have seen about personal pronouns. We have taken information about personal pronouns and today we are going to learn more about demonstrative pronouns. So let's learn about demonstrative pronouns. So children, here are few examples in front of you. So what is mean by demonstrative pronouns? We are going to learn through these examples. Give attention here. What is the first example here? I am going to read. Jack built a house. This is it. Jack built a house. This is it. So here I am going to underline this. Second number, Jill bought a car yesterday. That is her new car. I'm going to underline that. Okay. Third, I got the shoes exchanged. These are comfortable. I'm going to underline these. Fourth number, look at the t-shirts. Those are big for me. I'm going to underline those. So children, here, this, that, these, those, these words are showing something, pointing out something. So these are demonstrative pronouns. See here, Jack built a house. There is the picture of the house. So this is it. We want to demonstrate or we want to show that this is the house, this is it. So which word is giving us the idea about the house? This. It's showing this. Okay. Jill bought a car yesterday. That is her new car. That is her new car. Now that word is showing us the car. I got the shoes exchanged. These are comfortable. These is demonstrating the shoes. This is showing us, pointing out shoes. Okay. Look at the t-shirts. Those are big for me. Those are big for me. So these words, these, that, these, those are showing us something, pointing out something. So that's why they are demonstrative pronouns. What? They are demonstrative pronouns. So these are the demonstrative pronouns. Let's learn more about these pronouns. Okay? So children, the demonstrative pronouns these, that, these and those point out somebody or something. Did you understand? Now children, let's see about these demonstrative pronouns. Used to point to someone or something close to the speaker or writer. Which demonstrative pronouns we are using when speaker or writer is close to us? Here close word is very important. When speaker or writer is close to us, that time we use this and these. Okay, this and these. Now what is difference between this and these? This is used to refer singular countable or uncountable noun. This is used to refer single countable or uncountable nouns. And these is used to refer plural nouns. Okay. We are telling about nouns. So that time we want to demonstrate the noun. And if it is singular, we need to use this. And if it is plural, we need to use these. Okay, clear? Now, when to use that and those? When speaker or writer is far away from us, far from us. That time, we need to use that and those. So, what is difference between that and those? Same. That refer to singular countable and or uncountable noun and those refer to plural nouns. Okay, this is only the difference between them. Whenever singular noun comes, we need to use this and that, and when it is plural, these and those. Clear? Now here here few examples are given to make us clear about this demonstrative pronouns. Holding your new jigsaw puzzle, showing it to someone. I can solve this. This refers to a singular countable noun, puzzle. Okay. Now here, I can solve this. This means what? Puzzle. This means what? Puzzle. So, is it plural or singular? It's singular. Puzzle. Okay. So, it is singular countable noun. That's why we have used here this. Okay. I can solve this. So, that's why we have used here this. Clear? Holding your new, that means what? The speaker or writer is close to us. So, it is close and singular. So, this is used. Pointing to a log of wood across the road. Now, here we are pointing to a log of wood and it is across the road, means it's far from the speaker or writer. Am I right? It's far. So, he can chop that. Now, wood is a log of wood is the singular. Okay, and it is far. So, when it is singular and it is far, that time we need to use that. That's why that is used here. Now see next page. Here, pointing to the books on the table at which you are sitting. Okay. Now here books are close and they are many. So it is plural noun. So as it is plural noun and it is near to us, so here these is used. Okay. Pointing to children playing in the park in the distance. Now noun is plural. Children means many. Correct. And in the park in the distance means park is far away from us. So that time when it is far and when many, that time we need to use those. Okay, clear? You can see that chart. It will be clear for you. Now, what is given in the next chart? This, that, these and those are also demonstrative adjectives. As demonstrative adjectives, they occur before a noun. Demonstrative pronouns are not followed by a noun. They refer to a noun. Okay. Now, see here. This, that, these, those. These are demonstrative adjectives also. And what we are learning about demonstrative pronouns. Okay. So, what is difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronouns? Here is the difference. You can see here also that and here also that is used. Let's see this sentence. That lady is my teacher. That lady is my teacher. Now here this that is as demonstrative adjective. Why? Because after that immediately noun is there. Lady. Lady is the noun. So you do remember that whenever there is adjective, it always come before a noun. So this is adjective and it has come before a noun, lady. These rooms, here also these has come before these noun. Rooms, this is the noun and it has come before the noun rooms, these. That's why it is demonstrative adjective. So that and these are demonstrative adjectives here in these two sentences. But let's see here, demonstrative pronoun. Here they work as demonstrative pronoun. That is my doctor. Okay, here that and these are small. That and these, after them there is no noun. There is no noun. So if you can see there is no noun and they are pointing to the noun. They are showing. Okay, they are showing something. They refer to a noun. That is my doctor. Okay, that is my doctor. These are small. So here they refer to a noun. So they are demonstrative pronoun. And they are not followed by the noun. Now children, let's see some exercises on demonstrative pronouns. D. Complete these sentences with the right demonstrative pronoun. A context is given in bracket to help you decide the suitable demonstrative pronoun. The first one has been done for you. First, you pull out a photograph from your bag and show it to your friend. Okay? This is my mother. Means your friend is near to you and photograph is a photograph. So this is used. This is my mother. Your friend and you compare two books. Your friend and you compare two books. Friend, this is an interesting book. Okay? You both are comparing two books. One book is with you and another is with your friend. So your friend is telling, this is an interesting book. Your friend is near to you. That's why this. You pointing to the one on the shelf. Now you are pointing to the book which is on the shelf. Okay. So book is not near to you. I will not say the same about that. Okay. So why it is used as that? Because book is far from you. Third, you show someone your new pair of shoes. You are showing someone your new pair of shoes. Means shoes is with you. These are very comfortable shoes. Why these? Because shoes is close to you and they are plural. Means they are two. That's why plural. So these. You do not believe a friend who gives you false information. Okay. That is a lie. I do not believe it. Here friend is one. Friend is one and friend is not with you. So here that is used. 5. Somebody offers you some grapes. Try some of these grapes. I just bought them. You. Thank you, but I have plenty of those from the farm. Farm is away from you. Grapes are in the farm. And here those. Why? Plural. Okay, that's why. Now, let's turn the page. Page number 64. E number. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks correctly with the demonstrative pronouns. Grandma, what is this? That is the sea. Far away. Correct? Third number. This is the letter H. Letter is near to that boy. That's why this. Dad, is this sharp? This. It's near to that boy. Which countries are these? These. Plural. Many countries. Okay. Let us go there to look at the birds. Those look colorful. Birds are many and away from you. So, those. Next page. 7 number. Shall we go out to see those helicopters? They are flying low today. Those. Many helicopters and away from us. 8 number. Isn't this very big? This. It's near to that man and it is single. So this. These are seashells in my hand. These. She's showing it's with her and these are many. So that's why these are seashells in my hand. Those are my parents in the background. Parents are away and she is demonstrating about parents. So those. 10. This is my grandfather. He is an architect. Grandfather is near to her and he is single. That's why this is my grandfather. He is an architect. I hope you understood about demonstrative pronouns today and about personal pronouns also. Here we are going to end our lesson. Complete your workbook, lesson number 10, and whatever homework I have given in the notebook, that also you have to complete in the notebook. Thank you. Have a great day.